Hey guys, so as I said, I'm going to be pushing out more videos, but I only have so much time, so I'm going to have to multitask in the videos. So today I'm going to be looking through this supplier's catalog while I am doing this video. So what I wanted to show you today was, oh, those are cool. What I wanted to show you today was a lot of people that are eBay sellers use Zik Analytics. Ooh, mermaid stuff. Look at that. Can you see all that? Use Zik Analytics to find items that are hot selling on eBay from Amazon. And now Zik Analytics, I guess, does Walmart too. I haven't used it that much, and I haven't. When I did try it out, I thought it was kind of hard to use. Anyway, okay, I'm just kidding with that. What I wanted to show you was a different way that you can use Zik Analytics to actually help with your Amazon business. Okay, so let's go over to Zik Analytics. Now, I searched for toys for baby, I think, which was just one of the, random searches that they had pre-plugged into Zik or something. So you can go through and kind of skew this down, filter it down to exactly what you want. Okay, but I just left it at this. So the number one thing that comes up for toys for baby is this. And it looks like it sold 3,400 things. I think that's in the last month. Okay, so there's a Y phone. Okay, and on the listing, you have, it is either black or white. Okay, they're both the same cost, and yeah, they have sold 3,400. So maybe 1,700 of each color or whatever. So they've sold 3,400 at $7.95 a piece. Okay, they have 327 watchers. Says the location is El Monte, California. Okay, and when you go over to the listing, yes, it says El Monte, California. And then it says the estimated delivery, you can get free economy shipping or expedited overnight shipping for like $40 or something, which seems a little bit high, but Wednesday, December 19th and Thursday, January 3rd, they are a top rated plus seller. Okay, so my question is kind of $7.95, and a lot of people on Zik Analytics drop ship from Amazon. Okay, so what you're doing is you're finding things like over here that, let me show you, like this item, for example. Okay, I'm going to pull this up real quick. Okay, it'll show you what they're selling. This seller is selling them for on eBay, and then it'll show you what the item is selling for on Amazon. Okay, so if you want to drop ship the same item, you can. On this one, it's like your estimated profit is negative 587. They're selling it for 16, and it's on Amazon for $22.99. So I don't think I'd recommend that one. But as you can see, 276 have sold this month. Okay, I think that's this month. I believe it is. I don't use Zik that much, so don't quote me Zik or Zeke or whatever it is. I think it's Zik. So on this one though, 3,400 have sold. Okay, so if we go over here, we look at the seller. Okay, they're based in Hong Kong. Okay, they're based in Hong Kong. They're a top-rated seller, and their item location is El Monte, California, as you can see here. But the shipping looks like it is maybe e-packet shipping length, because that would give you January 3rd as like 17, 18 days away, I think. And e-packet is usually 12 to 20 days. So I don't know if they have a warehouse in El Monte or if they are shipping from Hong Kong, which is where they're located, or what? It's kind of unusual to see their location as Hong Kong and then the item location is El Monte, California. Anyway, getting back to what I was talking about. So you see them on eBay for $7.95, right? And 3,400 have sold. Well, a lot of people, like I said, use Zik Analytics to find stuff, find things that are selling on eBay that are also on Amazon, and Zik Analytics will give you the profit margin. When you use it for specific items, you can look through competitor items. We can type in hot RC and go through all this person's items and what they've sold the most of in the past 30 days, 7 days on eBay. So on Zik Analytics, one way that I use it is not only to find the items that are selling hot on eBay so we know what to list on eBay, okay, but I use it to find out where I can source the items to not only sell on eBay, but also become an Amazon FBA seller, or sell them on Amazon to actually supply the eBay dropshippers with. I don't know if anybody else has thought about that, but that's a really good way to use Zik Analytics, because if you look here, you see 3,400 of these have sold, 2,400 of these have sold. This is kind of the same thing as the iPhone. 927 of these have sold. So if you find where these are coming from, okay, and you can source them and actually sell them on Amazon for eBay dropshippers to dropship, then you're not only going to be selling them on Amazon to everyone, but you're also going to be selling them specifically targeting eBay dropshippers. So if we go over here and look, let's go to Amazon first. Okay, so on Amazon you have, this is the #1 rated one, and I think it's number 1100 of all on Amazon. Okay, so it's $8.99. Okay, so if you look at this, and well, that just scared the crap out of me. My dog loves to do that. Okay, so if we go on Amazon, I'm going to use my phone for this real quick. Okay, so if we go on Amazon and use our Amazon seller app, let me see if that product will come up. Okay. Yeah, one of them, there's a couple of them. One of them comes up at 11,000, one of them comes up at 1,100. So if we look at the one that is at 1,100, okay, let me see, then it's selling for $8.99. okay, after your FBA fees, you're going to make $5.23 on Amazon if you have this as an Amazon FBA item. Okay, so let's go over to AliExpress and let's see where we have these. Okay, so these ePacket's $3.31. I don't think you really have to do ePacket. Let's look. This is the one that I already opened up. Have you ever noticed that I talk out loud to myself? Do you do that? Am I the only one? Tell me I'm not. So this is going to be $3.68. Okay, so after your Amazon FBA, I mean, you're going to have other, expenses, right? But you're also going to be able to use coupons, get seller coupons, get discounts. You can also get cash back. You can also use a cashback credit card on these, and so that will lower your price more and more and more. Okay, so $5.23, and if you're paying $3.68 for each one, which you're going to get discounted more, but let's look at this. $5.23 minus 3.68, you're making $1.55 on each one. Okay, so let's do the math. Okay, say you're going to be the supplier for that customer, and let's say you're even going to be the supplier for the other customer. Where did they go? Da, da, da. Okay, so they sold 927. 927 times 155 is $1,400. So that would be what you're profiting other than the fees to send the items to Amazon, unless you work something out with the distributor on AliExpress where you're going to buy 100 or a few hundred, and they're going to send them directly in and tag them with the stickers that they need to be tagged with. Or actually, I think you can have Amazon do that as well. But what you're going to have is you're going to have, what did I say, 927 times 155? You know, I totally like 927 times 155, 1,436 in profit, and that's in a month on that one product. So if you look at it, and that's only if it's this seller. If you have the seller that is selling 3406 plus the seller that is selling 927, I'm sure there's more sellers with these on eBay. I mean, you know they are. This is just two of them, okay? So that is 43.33. And what did I say? The profit was $1.50. I'll just say $1.55. That's $6,716 profit. Just if you're selling from Amazon FBA to those two sellers, because what you're doing is you're supplying eBay dropshippers with hot selling items. So that's another way to use Zik Analytics. I hope this video helps you. You don't have to start, of course, with items where they're selling, 927 or 3,406 items. You can always start smaller than that, but this is just a good way to look at things, because a lot of drop shippers on eBay, they source items from Amazon. So if you are going to the source and able to get the items and then list them at a reasonable price on Amazon, then you can have the eBay dropshippers actually buying from your Amazon account. And that's a good way to use Zik Analytics for a different purpose that I don't think a lot of people have even considered. So hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Why is that so hard to say? Subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell down here, so then you'll be notified. It should be down here somewhere, of upcoming videos. And there is a link also below here in the description to Zik Analytics, so you can sign up for them. I think it's like $9.99 a month to start, which is really cheap for a research tool compared to what a lot of the other ones are. So if nothing else, it's worth it just to sign up, use it, a couple months or whatever, just to learn. So have a great day, everybody. Hope this helped.